Have you ever wondered what makes Python so popular? This video will guide you through Python's essentials. By the end, you'll understand its history, features, and applications. Let's start with what Python is. Python is a high-level programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Python emphasizes code readability. This aspect makes it user-friendly for beginners. Next, let's explore Python's core features. Python is open source, meaning it's free to use. It runs on multiple platforms, including Windows and Mac. Python has a large standard library, offering many pre-built functions. This saves time and effort in coding. Now, let's look at real-world applications of Python. Data science relies heavily on Python for analyzing data. It's also popular for automation tasks, simplifying repetitive work. Many web developers use Python to create dynamic websites and applications. In summary, Python is versatile and powerful. It is suitable for beginners and experts alike. Its core features make it ideal for various fields. Understanding Python can open new opportunities for you. Take what you've learned today and start coding in Python. Explore its features and applications. Your programming journey begins now.